today we're only putting these Lunchables in there for 1 minute. For uno minute. I can't speak Spanish.
Yeah, I don't know Spanish. Now time to take laps around the house.
Oh, it's ready. 5, 4. You better go back. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go, and it's started. 1 minute.
Huh? That's strange.
No, cue them on.
Watch the timer. I hear a popping.
Ah, here.
Oh.
It's still popping. It smells. Alright, we might need a fan. I don't trust this, bro. Eli, come back.
Oh.
7, 6.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Is it burned? I don't know.
What's
Get some mitts. Try this at home before you, when you get parents' permission. And
Because the house might catch fire.
maybe not. Probably not. Here we go.
But me.
What? Is it burned or not? I hope
Reveal.
3, 2, 1. Oh. It just makes the Lunchable weird. Who wants to eat it now?
Not me.
Press. Try it out for the views. Try it out. Why won't we put it there for another minute? Will,
Try it.
with these? Try it.
Try
one.
it.
Try this one.
Try
This
it.
one looks
Try
like the
it.
best one.
Try it. Try it. Try it. Try it. Try
And
it.
the boys have to give him 10,000 views if he tries it.
Go. Get one.
Which one? I think the. Okay, whatever. I think that one's better. That one looks like the best. You just gotta put it on there. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Show the camera.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
You don't
Eat
have much time. Yeah, don't have much time. Alright, zoom out.
it.
Alright, part 2.